Hello students, here I am with some more questions of differentiation. Let us solve question number 6, that is y is equals to e raised to the power x by sine of x. Now how to solve this? You can see this function or this equation is in the form of u by v, where u and v both are the functions of x. Now how to solve this? We have a formula that is d by dx of u by v, that is equals to whatever is written in denominator, you have to square it and you have to write the same as it is in the numerator and then differentiate the other function, that is d by dx of u minus exactly opposite of whatever you have written in starting, that is u dv by dx. Okay, now here in this question we have u is equals to e raised to the power x and v is equals to sine x. So how we will solve it? D by dx of e raised to the power x by sine x, that is equals to the square of the denominator sine x square sine x as it is, and then d by dx of e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power x d by dx of sine x. Now we will solve it. Sine x d by dx of e raised to the power x, the differentiation of e raised to the power x will be e raised to the power x as it is, that is e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power x d by dx of sine x, differentiation of sine x is cos x, and that is sine x square. So we can write it as, we can take a common e raised to the power x as common, and then sine x minus cos x by sine x whole square. This is the differentiation of e raised to the power x by sine x. Okay. Now next let us solve question number 7th. Now this question number 7th, we have y is equals to log of cos x. Here we can say this function is in the form of y equals to log of u, where u is equals to cos x. Now how to solve this function when we have log of u? We can write the formula d by dx of log u. First of all we will solve log u, that is equals to 1 by u, then this function again we have to differentiate it, that is d by dx of u. Okay, so here we have d by dx of log of cos x, that is equals to 1 by cos x, and then we will differentiate this cos x again. So 1 by cos x, d by dx of cos x, d by dx of cos x is equals to minus of sine x, that is minus of sine x. So we can write minus sine x by cos x, that is equals to minus of 10 x, that is the differentiation of log of cos x. Okay, next question is, again we have a logarithmic function, that is y is next question is question number 8, that is y is equals to e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power x square plus e raised to the power x raised to the power 3 plus e raised to the power x raised to the power 4 plus e raised to the power x whole raised to the power 5. Okay, now here we have to solve all these functions separately. So d by dx of y, that is equals to d by dx of e raised to the power x plus d by dx of e raised to the power x square plus d by dx of e raised to the power x raised to the power 3 plus d by dx of e raised to the power x raised to the power 4 plus d by dx of e raised to the power x raised to the power 5. Now here d by dx of e raised to the power x, that will be e raised to the power x as it is, as we have seen in the previous case. Okay, that is e raised to the power x plus here d by dx of e raised to the power x square. Now this is in the form of e raised to the power u. So whenever we have e raised to the power u, then we have to write it as e raised to the power u as it is, and then we have to differentiate whatever the function u we have. Okay, so e raised to the power x square, this, and then we have to differentiate this x square again, that is called as the chain rule. Okay, then we have e raised to the power x cube and d by dx of x cube. Similarly e raised to the power x raised to the power 4 and then d by dx of x raised to the power 4 plus e raised to the power x raised to the power 5 and d by dx of x raised to the power 5. So here we can write it as e raised to the power x plus differentiation of x square, that is 2x. We can solve it by using the formula x raised to the power n, that is nx raised to the power n minus 1. Whatever is written in the denominator, that will come ahead, and we have to subtract 1 from the power. So we can write it as 2x ex square. Similarly here x cube, that will be 3x square, and this ex cube as it is. Okay, then x raised to the power 4, we can write it as 4x cube e raised to the power x raised to the power 4 as it is, plus for this x raised to the power 5. So we can write 5x raised to the power 4 e raised to the power x raised to the power 5. This is the answer of this exponential function. Okay. Oh, our next question is again a logarithmic function. Question number 9. Y is equals to log x. It is same as this question 7, y is equals to log of cos x. Instead of this cos x, we have again log x. So we will solve it. D by dx of log x. So whatever is written along with the log, that will come in the denominator, that is equals to 1 by log x, and then d by dx of log x. Okay, it will be 1 by log x and then d by dx of log x, that is equals to 1 by x. So we can write it as 1 by x into 1 by log x, or you can also write 1 by x log x. That will be the answer of the function y is equals to log x. Okay. Next question. Now the last question is the trigonometric function, that is y is equals to cos of sine x. We have this y is equals to cos of sine x. Again here we have it is in the form of cos of u. First of all, we have to see what is the differentiation of this cosine function. D by dx of cos of u. Cos x is equals to minus sine u, but we have this u as a function of x, so we have to solve it again. D by dx of this function u. Okay, so here we have d by dx of cos of sine x, that is equals to minus sine of sine x. See here, this sine x is the function of this cos. Okay, or we can say this cos is a function of sine, means at the place of x we are writing here sine x. So this wherever you are writing sine theta, so here that theta is the sine x. Now here we have to solve this, we have to differentiate this sine x again. So we can write it as minus sine of sine x d by dx of sine x. Differentiation of sine x is cos of x. So this is the differentiation of y equals to cos of sine x. Okay.